Hey guys, here's a long-term review of the cheap SC Project eBay exhaust, and I will go through how it looks now compared to a year ago when I installed it. But first, here, look at this video when I installed it and how it sounded. So here we go. After a year, you could tell it's not the real deal because it started to fade around this area. It looks a little yellowish. You could tell it's not the real titanium and it's probably just stainless steel. But overall, the mid pipe looks good still. Nothing out of the norm for it. The headers are still the original headers, but a year later you could see the exhaust kind of like burnt out a little bit, which I don't really mind for the price I paid compared to the original one. Probably almost 10 times cheaper than the titanium one. And the sound after a year, cold start. The bike hasn't been started in about 3 weeks, so let's see. It still sounds really good. It's not too loud when you're on the bike and you're going fast. It's just perfect compared to like the Yoshi and other exhausts that I've seen on this bike. It's a little bit louder, but I think it has a nice growl to it. All right, so I guess you guys get to decide if it's worth buying a cheap exhaust eBay or not. The only thing I could say is it will probably fade after a while, and it won't look as good as the titanium ones with the blue lines and everything through it, but I think it still sounds awesome, and for the money I paid, I would get it again.